Horizontal sachet packing machines suitable for food, pharmaceutical, agrochemical, fertilizer, cosmetics and other industries. Packaging bag types include flat sachet, Zoipack sachet, zipper sachet, special shaped bags, stand-up bags, twin link bag, bags with spouts, etc. The machine supports different feeder methods such as screw, measuring cup, pump filling, multi-head scale, counting, vibrating etc. suitable for packaging dry powders, granules, liquids, gels, etc. Machine parameters 3/4 side sealing, packaging speed 40-160 ppm, pouch size 50 mm 80 mm, minimum, -200 mm 250 mm, maximum, filling range 1000 gml. For more details, please contact us to discuss.